Hello my beautiful people, how are you? I know I've been showing you guys a million times here on my channel on how to get that beautiful easy graphic eyeliner using eyeshadow, but I feel like now I found an easier way on how to create a beautiful soft graphic eyeliner. And hear me out, you don't even have to be good at doing makeup because this is super easy. So let's do that, but before, let me show you the coat of the year. That's right, rich bitch energy only. So I already set my eyelids. I only have concealer in there, and then I set that with powder. Let me tell you, if you're not into graphic liners, you will love it, especially if you have hooded eyes. Like, look at me, I have hooded eyes. Like, let me just relax a little bit my muscles, my facial muscles. You see how hooded my eyes are? Listen, I'm aware my eyes don't look as hooded, but trust me, they are hooded, and I feel like right now my face is very relaxed. You can totally see this eye is more hooded than this one, and trust me, I'm aware there's people out there with more hooded eyelids than I am, but my point is that my lids are hooded and this graphic liner works so good for me. Okay, bye. I mean, I know they're not extremely hooded, but they are pretty hooded to me. So if you have hooded eyes, this graphic liner, like the graphic liner, will make your eye look a little bit more open, if that makes any sense. So I know I've been showing you guys, as I said in the intro, I've been showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful graphic liner using eyeshadow, and I feel like that's super easy. Again, you don't have to be good at doing makeup. You just need a little bit of time and a tiny little brush like this. I'm going to use either an angle brush or like a small buffer, whatever brush is this, detail shader. Okay, you're gonna pick your liner of choice. Make sure it's a blendable one, because I have this tattoo liner from Maybelline and this one doesn't blend. Like, once you apply that, it's set in there, so you cannot smudge it out. So make sure you have more like a creamy liner, if that makes sense. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer. I want to film a TikTok tutorial as well, so I'm going to do only one eye on camera. I just sharpened this a little bit. It doesn't have to be extremely sharp, especially if it's a creamy liner. Like, you can't achieve that. So as I said, make sure it's a creamy liner, pencil. So I'm going to first draw a line, kinda how to explain that? I'm so bad at explaining and I'm so sorry for that, but you see what I'm doing, so repeat what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to draw a line this angle, so it kind of meets the end of my eyebrow, but it won't. It doesn't have to be straight, no worries. So I'm having my pinky finger resting on my face and you know, slowly creating this line. So I think I'm going to end, stop there, and then I'm going to do a straight line, okay, and connect it with the first line we just did. So I'm going to start from the center of my lid and slowly, like, I'm not putting any pressure, I'm just barely touching my skin with this pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I think I'm going to take my angle brush because I feel like it's a little bit more precise, and I'm going to slowly blend this away, but I'm going to do like straight lines, like this motion. Look at my hand. I don't know how to explain it, okay? Like, I'm just going to buff this out a little bit. Listen, this is not going exactly how I planned. Like, my point was to buff this out so you have that smoky line in there, but this liner is kind of shady, so I picked the other brush. It's a little bit more dense, and I'm just going to try to buff this out, okay? That's why I said it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it looks beautiful, don't get me wrong, from far. Up close you can totally see that is not perfect. So I'm taking again the angled brush and I'm picking a little bit of this pencil on my brush and I'm going to create a cut crease, more like. If you want to go straight, you do you, but I like that cut crease effect in here. Look how beautiful and so effortless. Oh my goodness, I love it. I know I said super easy. I mean, look at this. This is like done. You only need to apply lashes or mascara. If you have a little bit more time, you can totally use a little bit of concealer and clean and perfect the inner part. I'm not gonna do that because in my eyes this looks fine. So I'm sorry for the angle. I would love to apply this in my waterline, don't get me wrong, but since I have very sensitive eyes, I don't want to mess it up. Listen babe, of course you can take this to the next level, but I wanted to keep it simple so you can see how easy it is to create this graphic eyeliner with only your black pencil. In my case, green pencil. Right now I would apply this glittery liner, or you can totally fill this in with some glitter or glitter flakes, whatever. This looks so beautiful, so let me know if you guys want me to redo this, probably using black or even this pink. It looks so beautiful, but as I said, it's not as pigmented as the green one. Let me know if you guys want me to film this again and take this to the next level, because I would love to do so. Alright, you beautiful people, so this is the finished look. I went with a little bit of mascara and my Ardell wispies. So this is the final result. Let me do a close up. It doesn't have to be perfect because then you go with a little brush and blend the line in there so it looks a little bit more smudged, a little bit more buffed out. So yeah, don't worry if it's not perfect. That was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you guys would try this hack. Just let me know down below what do you think. I'm so curious. As I said, in my opinion, it's super easy, it's super simple to achieve, and I feel like anyone can do this eye makeup look. It's so beautiful, and it looks like you put a lot of effort in there, right? And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bad bitch energy. Okay? It says rich bitch energy. Same thing.